Hi, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying on a headband wig for the very first time. To be honest, I wasn't too keen on this particular type of wigs because they are basically half wigs and I have too many of those already. However, since these wigs are now trending, I've decided to give it a try by starting off with this very affordable water wave unit that I purchased from eBay. I'll also be showcasing a mixed selection of headbands and some other accessories that I purchased along with it. So let's get on with the video. I don't know what to expect, but we'll see how it goes. Wow, so this is how it looks. It's a synthetic water wave textured wig. Love the texture, and it's 24 inches long. So this is it. This is how it looks, and this is the headband that is attached to the wig. Wow, looks good so far. So this is the construction of the cap. It has a breathable mesh cap with 3 combs at the front, which is really good. So it has these 3 small combs at the front. It has 1 small comb here at the nape for extra security. It also has these straps. I like to call them bra straps, but this is what they look like. So I actually really like that. So these straps here is where we connect it on these loops here. Don't know if you can see it. So these loops here, so like that. I love the fact that it has a lot of things to secure this wig. The headband section, as you can see here, extends to the back with an additional adjustable Velcro piece to keep the unit firmly in place. This is the Velcro. So my hair has already been prepped, so I just braided my hair all in one, as tight as possible to help my wig be as flat as possible. So now I'm just gonna put a wig cap on top. I really don't have to wear a wig cap, but I just prefer to prevent my hair products going on the wig and getting the wig dirty in that sense. So yeah. And also the wig cap also helps to keep your own hair laid down. So yeah. Yeah, wow, so this is what it looks like. I really like it. So yeah, this is it, 24 inches long. I like it. And it feels good, you know, it feels comfortable. Let me see if I can show you the back. So this is what the back looks like. Wow, this is so cute. I really like how it looks. With just this headband that is attached to this wig, it already looks good. It looks natural and it's lightweight as well. So yeah, I thought it would be a bit heavy because some long synthetic wigs can feel heavy, but this feels really lightweight. And I love the curls of this water wave wig. So with this wig, I wouldn't brush it. I would try not to put my fingers through it because I don't want it to come out being fluffy. I want it to be defined. I want the curls to be defined just like this. Wow. So like I've mentioned, I've bought some headbands and some other accessories for this unit. So I'm just going to show you what I purchased. So I'm going to start off with this one. So this is a pack of 4 headbands and I purchased this from Amazon. So let's take a look at them. So this is the first one. So cute. I like the fact that it has this braided pattern. So let's see what it looks like on me. Wow. So this is cute. I like this. This braided headband. It's really, really cute. Wow, I love this look. So now let's try the others. So this next one is, should I say pearls design or beads? Whatever it is, let's just call it pearls, even though they're beads. But yeah, this is so cute. I've seen other people with this headband as well, so let's try it on. Wow, love it. I'm just pushing the headband a bit, but yeah, this is cute. I really like this. I'm not sure if it's a brand dupe or whatsoever, but I have been seeing people with this type of headband, and I like the fact that it has like a knot on top. Like, I love the detail. This headband wig is so cute, and the headbands that I'm showing with this wig look so good, like so cute. And this is the last one. Wow, and I love the yellow. To me, it's more of a mustard color, but because of the lighting, you can't really tell. But yeah, so cute. And I have more here, but these ones are cloth headbands, and it came in a pack of 20 different colors. So let me just show you if I can. So this is what it looks like inside. So it's just a pack of different colored cloth headbands. This was also purchased from Amazon, and I got it for a really good price. And there's more. Wow, I actually love this color. It's like a dusty pink. Then we got the baby blue. This is more of a primary color blue. This is basically like the colors of the rainbow. So yeah, this is like a mustard yellow. Lovely. You got brown. I love brown. Red, purple, and this is like another shade of purple. This one, I think I would try this one for you guys, and have more, you know. And then these are the last ones. Wow, another shade of brown, love it. Grey, then black. Yeah, so these are all of the headbands. I'm going to try this one because this is the one that caught my eye, this color. So let's see. Wow, it's so cute. So it's like a double cross style. This headband, it's really, really cute. I love it. And it also covers the black headband that is attached to the wig. So yeah, and I also have some scrunchies as well. These are all like leopard prints, scrunchies. So these came in a pack of 9. I also purchased them from Amazon. So it's good to check Amazon for these accessories like these headbands, scrunchies, etc. because they're really affordable, and they come in a large pack of different colors and styles. So yeah, this is it. So which one should I try? I think this would match this headband. So yeah, I'm gonna wear that one. So I'm going to see if I can do a half up and half down style. So yeah. This is how it looks like. I just love the water wave texture, and it's also like a deep wave as well. I think I will start getting into these headband wigs because it's really easy to use. More easy than the half wigs, because with the half wigs I had to pull some of my hair out, straighten it and stuff. Whereas this, I just held my hair back and then put the headband wig on top. This is really easy. This is beginner friendly, and you don't need to glue this down. You don't need to do all that extra stuff. You don't even need to braid your hair down to wear this wig. Like, this is so cute. I love it. And like, I thought like these headband wigs were not very decent. I thought these were just to dash to the shops, but no, you could actually use this headband wig for any occasion, a night out or anything like that. This can be used for anything. This is like an everyday wig and a wig that you can use on special occasions. So yeah, I'm sure you can tell this is in the color black. This was really affordable. Like, I believe I got this for £20, so that is so good. It's so affordable. But yeah, I actually really like this wig. It's so cute. I think I now like this new trend, and I will be looking into purchasing more headband wigs. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed watching. Please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get more updates on my new videos, okay? See you in the next one. Bye!